What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is another episode of SEMA Prep. We are here at True Automotive. True does a lot of the work on the truck, like all the long travel stuff. They do a lot of my axle stuff. They do the installs and the bumpers, and they mount and balance all of my beadlocks. So if you're in Colorado, come check them out if you need any work done to your rig. Today we are doing just that, mounting and balancing some beadlocks. These are the new Harrop Forgeline partnership wheels, so it's FXH wheels, Forgeline times Harrop. But let's go and unbox them, give you guys a look at them. These are not released yet, so enjoy. Dang, that's light. So just so you guys are aware, this is a beadlock, but it's an actual true like pre-runner race beadlock. Oh yeah, that's what you want. Now I asked for gold hardware for my beadlock bolts. I don't know if it's going to be an option or not, but we did it for SEMA. But check these things out. So the easiest way to get your tires, especially if it has a thick bead like the Mickey Thompsons do, is what we discovered is if you lay it as even as you can on the ring here and put the beadlock ring on and just start working it slowly, just a couple of turns at a time in a star pattern, that'll help get the tire to sit in the actual where it's supposed to. So we're gonna do that on this one, just like Tony did on the last one. So with every set of wheels I have installed, I always try and use the Apex quick deflate system here. And it's a very, very tight fit, but I think it's gonna work. I'm just gonna have to get some new air chucks to air up, but these make airing down take like less than a minute or two. Check these guys out if you guys haven't already. So now how Tony has it is the tire is as level and as flat on the wheel as possible, and he's just going around and doing a couple of turns per bolt to make the beadlock ring do the work of making that bead sit where it's supposed to on the wheel.
But it helps my smooth brain work, so I know where 4, 12, and 9.
Oh yeah. So what Tony did is put markers down so he can see where 12 o'clock is, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 9 o'clock is, and that's where he's gonna go to get the beadlock ring sandwiched down as evenly as possible. So he's gonna go basically crisscross back and forth between those two until the beadlock ring sets that bead. Tony and I finally got the bead of the Mickey Thompson to sit. We're hoping. We're using the Apex valve stem quick deflates. We're hoping that it's gonna work with this wheel. Fingers crossed, because it's a race wheel, so it's a little bit different. But he's done a couple star pattern passes at 10 and then started working his way clockwise at 10 and then 14, and now he's hitting them all at 15 and 18, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so now he's hitting them all at 18 and make sure everything's up to spec. And then before you guys start putting these bolts in, make sure you use anti-seize, because you don't want to ruin your day. Moment of truth. Let's see if we can hold air.
I want to turn this on first.
We're at 2.5.
Blows the valve stem out. Oh!
Dang, come on, baby.
Sure, zeroed. Okay. Sometimes these are weird. Some of them only work when you have air hooked up to them.
That's not what you want.
No. Is there still purple power in that bullshit?
What?
In that spray bottle? Aaron put like that purple power cleaner in there. So I was like, I'll spray it on the wheel. Well, no, I'm gonna go empty it real quick.
So we're gonna get this thing up to 35 PSI, hopefully, and then we're gonna hit it with some soapy water so we can look for any leaks. Oh, like, come on. Just release the valve.
We're at 21. All right, let me get some soapy water and we'll see how she does.
All right.
That'll be enough pressure to tell.
So our moment of truth went well. She holds air, no leaks, no bubbles. Now we're gonna see how well they balance. Dang, I need to go to 44s, dog. Dang. Dang. I need some.
Off. We gotta go to 40s.
I need some portals.
You should. That's sick.
So Tony went across the street and got some wheel weights. 2 ounces per one of these weights. So at least we could run these and not have to put like 50 half ounce on there. And they do clear the caliper, we just checked. Dang, these are some beefy boys. All right, so we got the tires balanced and 22 ounces of wheel weights later, they're good. I guess we'll do the rest of them now. So there you guys have it. There is the new FXH Race Beadlock wheels by Forgeline and Harrop. These will be available very soon, probably after, before this video comes out, they'll be available. But shout out to True Automotive, mounting and balancing the 37s, getting everything dialed in, and all we have left to do now is do the rack. I'm doing some new long travel axles to clean everything up, make it look as new as possible for SEMA and SEMA ready as possible. But if you guys are in Colorado, check out True Automotive. Again, they did all my long travel, they do all my beadlocks, they do a lot of the work on the truck that you see behind me that's gonna be at SEMA. If you guys like the video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, peace.